How to rate sellers on Amazon. Want to rate a seller? This guide shows you how to rate sellers on Amazon so you can rate their service. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. Tap on your orders to see a list of all your recent orders. Find the order from the seller that you want to rate and tap on it. On the orders page, you'll see an option that says Leave Seller Feedback. Tap on it to start your review. You can rate the other sellers with a star rating from 1 to 5. You can also add comment about your experience with the seller service. You should know that a seller rating is about the seller service, not the product itself. This is where you can rate the seller's communication, shipping, and customer service. Once you've finished the review, tap on the submit button. Your review will be published on the seller's page, and other shoppers will be able to see it. You now know how to rate sellers on Amazon. Get ready to rate their service. Like and subscribe for more app tips.